Do a brief update on the seating area. It's done except for the grass. This is still the remnants, and I need the caps. That's all done and backfilled, and I have to come back through and fix the tracks. Decided to add another level over here. I think it looks cool, kind of stair-stepped. Kind of sort of what it's going to look like. And then I started placing blocks out here, getting an idea. I made an executive decision, and I'm going to put another patio over here since I have another chair. So I just got to figure that out. It's fine.